'cause darling, I'm a nightmare dressed like a daydream. So it's gonna be forever.
Hey my Black Best tribe, welcome back to another video. So welcome into a day in my life, a Sunday evening. This is just a simple boat ride, and it's just to clear your mind and just to have a little fun, live a little. Life is worth living. You have life, just live life, enjoy life. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and press the bell notification so when I upload another video, you'll be the first to know. Please enjoy the rest of the video, and because of copyright, all the music I have to mute everything, but just watch and enjoy. And just imagine all the fun we had out there. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.